Hello, my name is Emily, and today I'll tell you about my daily routine. I hope it helps you learn and practice English. Every morning, I wake up early, usually around 6:30 a.m. The first thing I do is brush my teeth and wash my face to feel fresh and ready for the day. After that, I head to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. My favorite breakfast is toast with scrambled eggs and a glass of orange juice. It's simple, but gives me the energy I need for the day ahead. After breakfast, I get ready for college. I pack my bag, make sure I have all my books and notes, and leave home by 8:20 a.m. My classes usually start at 9 a.m. At college, I focus on learning, attending lectures, and working on assignments with my classmates. When I return home in the afternoon, I help my mother with housework. Sometimes I clean my room, do the dishes, or help her cook dinner. It's a great way to spend time together and share responsibilities. In the evening, I like to relax and do something I enjoy. Sometimes I watch a movie, read a book, or call my friends to chat. After dinner, I spend an hour reviewing my college notes or completing any homework I have. Before going to bed, I prepare for the next day. I set my alarm, lay out my clothes, and write down a to-do list for tomorrow. Finally, I take a moment to relax and think about the things I'm grateful for. Then, I go to bed around 10:30 p.m. That's my daily routine. What about you? Let me know in the comments below.